Hi everybody, how are you? It's Dr. Emily from the Evidence-Based Fitness Academy. Very excited to be announcing that I will be returning to Melbourne, Australia this September 3rd and 4th for our BarefootRx Level 1 program. Now, if you are familiar with EBFA and our Barefoot Training Specialist or our Movement from the Ground Up series that we've done in Australia, then you may be interested in also attending BarefootRx. BarefootRx is obviously going to be focused on the rehab side of movement. A lot of the concepts and principles are similar because the way that I as a clinician look at my patient rehab is very similar to the way that I teach my group fitness classes and also very similar to the way that I teach my training clients. However, big difference with BarefootRx versus Movement from the Ground Up or Barefoot Training Specialist is that we are going to be going into the specifics of certain injuries. So there will be a little bit heavier clinical side to it. So if that's something that you're interested in, I think a lot of our clients and patients, athletes in general, have compensations, and injury prevention should always be on the back of your mind, whether it's for performance or client and the results, a group exercise setting. All of us need to be very aware of our movement patterns and client programming. Obviously, we're going to be focusing on the foot assessments, barefoot science, footwear, specific injuries. So this is where it's going to be a little bit different. Specific injuries, not just limited to the foot. So we will be going into the mechanics and neuromuscular association with knee injuries, hip injuries, low back, spine, shoulder, hand, elbow, etc. The body's integrated, and we know that our feet as our foundation is going to be a driver or an interconnecting element within that. So again, September 3rd and 4th in Melbourne, Australia for the BarefootRx Rehab program. It is hosted by Perform Better Australia. So if you want to find more information, please do check out perform-better.com.au. If you want to learn a little bit more about EBFA and all of our education and our concepts in movements and corrective exercise, please check out our blog, which is barefootstrongblog.com, as well as our website, ebfafitness.com. I hope to see you in Melbourne. Until then, remember, stay barefoot strong.